Hey there, YouTube Famalama and Stealth Camping Alliance. So I kind of wanted to give you a quick little thing before I get into this video. It's not uber long either, but I went on my little boat excursion last weekend. It was the long weekend. And it was kind of a fail, but not a fail at the same time. I mean, I did get out on the water. I wasn't able to camp though. The video will explain what happened there. And I wasn't actually going to put the video out, but there have been a few people that have been looking forward to that video. So it's, like I said, it's not a fail, but it is a fail. I'll show you what footage I did get. Again, being at night, there wasn't really a lot to see. I still had a blast doing it. I was sore for a week, but totally 100% worth it. But what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to do kind of like a part 2. And I'm actually at the spot where I plan on doing part 2. It's a lot closer to home, for one. And I feel that this is way more easy accessibility to get to. So let me flip you around real quick. Bam! So this is part of Lake Ontario-ish. This is the bay, like the bay part. Skyway Bridge is over there, so Lake Ontario is just over there. The water runs through here, blah, 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 blah. And I've got, that's where I'd like to go. There's an island there. That's not, I mean, it's an island, but I don't see what I can do with that there. Another little island there. Another little island there. Actually, that one's a little bit bigger. And then, yeah. So I think that's the bad boy I want to go to right there. Just right there, there's a bit of sand, like a sandy shore there. I think I can get the boat up there. And I see a bit of a clearing, so I can definitely throw up a tent or a tarp or something there. So yeah, that's my plan. I'm hoping maybe not this weekend coming up, because I do got to do the Stealth Camping Alliance Airport Challenge. So I'm thinking maybe the weekend after I will get over here and spend the night and see how that goes. I may not even spend the whole night. I might just get over there on the boat, hang out, do some dinner, do some burgers or something, and just get out of here before like 5 in the morning, 5 or 6 in the morning. It's definitely fall. Sun's up, you know, a little bit later. Sun going down a little earlier every night. So be a little bit more exciting, and have to leave a little bit earlier if I want to do this, so you guys can see what the heck is going on. This is a fairly alright lit place, like background light and stuff like that, so I think the camera will do okay, and be better than the last one. Like I said, the last one was really dark. There were no lights. There was like nothing going on. Again, got into the lake, tried to get to my island. Again, you'll see that in the video. And yeah, so here we go. So today we're going to start this adventure with a step 3. Why not? I am at a place and I brought an inflatable boat. We're gonna go float down this lake river thing. I'm really excited, so I hope you guys enjoy this one. I've been planning this one since last September. Today's September 2nd, so it's been a year since I've been at this spot. That's how long I've been planning this trip. I was going to do a trial run tonight, but I think I'm just going to go full out and get this done. I do have a lot of stuff with me, but it's okay. I think I got this. Anyways, guys, stay tuned. I will catch you back in a minute. So that's the first leg of the trip done. I smoked a step 3, busted ass down this trail to get to this dock. So it is getting late. Well, not late, not for me, but it's like 8 o'clock, 8:30. I know, not the greatest here. Let me throw the flashlight on. So this is what I've got here. Yeah, so I've got my inflatable boat and we're gonna go out into the lake at night. I'm very excited. So I'll bring you back in a minute anyways to show you what's going on. So I'm back. I'm sorry it took so long, but I got to the dock. It took me about 40 minutes to pump this boat up with the pump that they gave me. Just a little hand pump thing here. I can barely see that, but my 2 bags, my hiking bag, and oh, I'm gonna try and get this so you can see. I'm in. I don't want to drop this phone, but you can't see shit behind me. It's pitch black. So yeah, I got my other bag because for some reason this boat prefers that I sit near the middle. When I was in the back, she was a little butt heavy there, so I'm more in the middle. And yeah, so I'm in the lake, finding my way in the dark. The moon should be up shortly, probably within the next hour or so. That'll shed some light on the situation, and I may go live from the boat. A couple people asked me when I mentioned this possibility of a trip that I might do that. I got signal, so we shall see. This is pretty cool though, I'm not gonna lie. I love this. There were still people on the trail when I got here. My boat's just doing circles right now. I hear something, but yeah, and I'm like too scared to even have a cigarette in this thing, because if I burn a hole in it, I'm screwed. Yeah, but this is fun, and it's quiet, and it's clear, and there is a solar storm, so I may actually even be able to catch some auroras, possibly. Yeah, and I got food. I got some beefaroni because I'm 12. I did get some munchies though too, so we'll check that out. I can't believe, so yeah, the weight limit on this thing fully pumped is 410 pounds. I'm 220, and there's no way both of these bags weigh 100 pounds, so I'm golden, I think. I don't feel any wet, so that's good. It's a little bit damp just on the outside because of the condensation, but yeah, we're not leaking or nothing at all. So, and there's plenty of room for me. I'm short anyway, so ideally I think this boat's meant for 3 kids or 1 adult. I'm none of the above. I'm just one kid, so. Anyways, oh, yes, and I must mention the name of this particular vessel, thanks to Hidden Hammock. I will rechristen it in the daytime, but I will christen it again. The Hightanic. Yes, so thanks, Josh. You rock, buddy. And yeah. Oh, check that out. With the light, you can kind of see the background a bit. Kind of, sort of, eh? Maybe, no? Yeah, a little bit, eh? Cool. Alright, anyways, I'm gonna go. I'll be back. I was just coming around this bend here, and I found the moon. I know it doesn't look like much on camera right now, but yeah. It's orange. She's coming up, so thought that was pretty cool. Let's see if I zoom a bit. Try to steer myself at the same time. No, wrong way, wrong way, wrong way. There we go. Oh, wrong way, wrong way. There we go. No. Sorry. Trying to hold the camera and steer a boat at the same time is impossible. But yeah, that looks pretty cool, eh, guys? Orange moon just coming up. I'll be back. So that was a bit longer of a trip than I expected. It is 11:30 and I just got back to the dock here. The island was a bust. Give me a second here and flip you around. Maybe. So yeah, the island was a bust. It was all overgrown and I had no way of getting up onto the little island thing, so again, we're back on the dock. Got my stuff here. Was a fun little trip though, not gonna lie. I don't think I'm gonna call this one done just yet, so we'll see. I might go back out on the water. I don't know, but I think I'm gonna eat something first and then maybe do a step 3. Oh, that's so bright. Turn it down. There we go. I just attach that right up to my phone. Just wanted to show you around as well when I figure this out. Oh, there's a little fly or something on my screen. So the water's pretty murky. It's not too bad once you get out there. Yeah, lifesaver. But yeah, it's just my 2 bags. I loaded with water. That's why that's so heavy. I just give you a quick look around what I got going on here. So, yeah, people, like, this is ridiculous. I'm going to clean this up. There's a garbage bin right here. I'll do what I can and clean this up. I'll show you that in a few bits. But, yeah, got a picnic bench here. That's a no-go over there. It's I'll show you something about rejuvenating the trail or something. Oh, environmental regeneration. So yeah, I guess I'll avoid that, but nice over there. Yeah. I'm pretty far from my car. Maybe 25 minutes, half hour walk to the car. I'm gonna clean this up. I'll be right back, guys. All right. That's more gooder. That just really pisses me off. Like, there's a garbage bin right there. I think that annoys a lot of us outdoorsy people. I've noticed that in the Stealth Camping Alliance. Like, everywhere we go, there's just garbage, and it annoys me. You know, I try to do my best. I bring garbage bags with me so I can clean up after myself. I don't know why that's so hard for other people to figure out. Anyways, it's, what time is it? Almost 1 a.m. I think I'm going to do some dinner shortly, and maybe I will go back out. We will see, but I am getting a little hungry, but I'm going to probably do a step 3 here. And, I don't know, maybe I will just camp here. We'll see. What's up? So yeah, when I was out earlier, bought some glow sticks. Thought that would be cool. Brought a whole bag of them in. 17 pieces. Alright. I don't want to do the big ones yet though. We've got a couple of big guys there. Kind of want to save those for a rainy day, you know? But these little guys, I don't care. So yeah, figured I'd do a little step 3 here, and I just lost a piece, I think. Nope, found it. Want to see what this has in it. Oh. We definitely lost a piece somewhere. Maybe not. No. Okay, so there's like a ton of those skinny buggers. Yeah. I got a whole bunch of the skinny guys. Not gonna break those off yet. Like I said, I already got a couple around me here. And save those ones for a rainy day. Little connector pieces here. And then just the 2 big guys here. I guess one, that's what the strings were for. I threw them out. Oh well. There was these strings with it, and I was like, what is that for? Now I know. Stick them on there, and they just go around your neck or whatever, eh? Yeah, I'll use those another time. So, again, not 100% sure what I want to do. I mean, I really do want to just go chill out on the water. Again. Oh, what's that? Oh, my knife. Yeah. Moon's up really high. And so it's kind of bright. I have no problem finding my way out there. And I got my... Oh, where is it? I got my big bad boy here. I don't know if that... Yeah. It is really super bright though. And I've heard fish jumping like all night. Anyways, yeah. That's so weird. Why is the camera changing color too? That's not right. Oh, there. Yeah, I've had a few people say they're not overly happy with my step 3 usage, but you don't have to watch if you don't want to. I'm not going to be mad. But to be honest, that's kind of the crowd that I want to have on my channel anyways. Because this is one of the things I am passionate about. And when it comes to YouTube, you should definitely do what you're passionate about. And for me, it's step 3 and outdoors. Anything outdoors. Doesn't matter. Jump in a boat, stealth camping, just camping, hiking, that kind of stuff, you know? So, yeah. This was such a cool idea. Wonder if now... Oh, no, you still can't see my face without the light. That's okay. And I picked up this little headlamp thing at the dollar store on my way out. I didn't have one. I've just been using the little guy that I had. This guy. So this is a little better anyways, because I can literally just stick that to anything. I can stick it to a tree if I have to, you know. Oh, and it's nice and bright, so it does the trick. Anyways, I'm going to finish this bad boy up and probably eat soon, maybe, or back out on the water. I should have went live to find out what you guys wanted, but this will be used again for sure. Even if I stay out tonight or car camp it tonight, I'm going to come back out during the daytime. So you can kind of get a better idea of where I'm at and stuff too. So, just trying to think, is there anything else I need to say right now? Not right now. So, I'll be back. Oh, it's bright. So I am out here. I somehow ended up really close to shore. Kind of hard to see anything with lights in my eyes, but I'm trying. Just get away from the shore there. I just realized too, I could probably sleep in this thing. Probably not safe, but like not on the water, but I could. Not gonna. Haven't really seen anything all that exciting. I'm just trying to get a little bit further out into the lake without getting lost. It's like 4 in the morning. After 4. What is it now? Actually, it is 4:30. 4:37 in the morning. And I'm out here on a random lake. That didn't really get me too far, did it? Alright. I'm gonna try getting out of here. Still really close to that one side. So, well, I haven't eaten yet either. I went for a little walk to my car to charge some things up. But the sun should be coming up fairly soon. Definitely within the next 45 minutes to an hour. And then that way too, you guys can see kind of where I'm at. I'm not really that tired. I'm baked, but I'm not tired. So, and I don't really have to heat up that beefaroni stuff. So if I do get overly hungry, I can just crack that can open, or a can. I brought 2 cans. Just trying to get out a little further here. Yeah, it's so weird too, when you stop paddling, the boat like turns around. You hear that? It's fish. Big ones too. I actually thought somebody was like throwing rocks or something. Anyways, I will come back later. Can't see nothing, so it's like kind of pointless. So I decided to use my other camera. Got the flash on. Does pretty good at night, and that is like the fog coming off the lake. This is so cool, guys. Like, for reals. Yeah, I think the sun's gonna be up soon. Yeah, I might just flip this phone out for this one. Yeah. I know it doesn't really do justice here, but I mean, at least you can sort of see what's going on. Ooh, my paddles are stuck. What a creepy effect, eh, guys? So, yeah, this is where I'm at. I went a lot further earlier, but like I said, the island I wanted to go to was way overgrown. There was no way to get on there, and yeah, so I'm thinking one of these days I'm gonna have to take this lake right down to the well, way down to the other side by the conservation area, Bimbrook yeah, I can talk. Conservation area. There's another island that looked a little bit better. From Google Maps, it looked like it even had a little bit of sand around the edge, so that's definitely one I think I should try out sometime. You can hear in my voice that I'm getting tired. But this has just been way too much fun, man. Way too much fun. Like I said, I'll probably pack things up once the sun comes up. Make the journey home, and you know what? I might make this. I'll probably definitely come back. This is such a wicked spot, man. Anyways, I'll be back, you guys. Yeah, so sorry for cutting the video off a little abruptly there. That was kind of literally the end of the trip. Out in the water, it was like 5 in the morning-ish, and the sun was just starting to come up, so I literally just paddled my butt back to shore, back to that dock, packed it up, and just called it a night. So it was like half fail, half success. The boat lasted, the boat was great, so definitely be taking that out again. But this time I'm buying a an electric pump or something, because that little handheld pump did shit. It was so bad. Well, the whole thing, like I should have actually done an actual test, like a test video first, instead of just packing everything up and then just going out. Because first and foremost, I didn't know the condition of the island in the first place. So, I mean, I got there, I couldn't get onto the island. It was all overgrown and everything, so it was just one thing after another. And then so I get back to shore and I'm like, okay, maybe I'll just camp out here for the night. After paddling for like 2.5 hours, almost 3 hours, I was just like, I was pooched. The walk was like a half an hour to the car, half an hour back, and a half an hour originally to get there. 40 minutes, probably 40-45 minutes to inflate the boat. It was a total cluster F, man. So I wanted to get something out. I wanted to show you that I did it. So that was the video. Like I said, a couple more weeks I'm going to go off to this island here, and next weekend I'm going to do the Stealth Camping Alliance Airport Challenge, which I'm really stoked for. Yeah, so guys, man, I know it's not the greatest video, okay? So please don't unsubscribe yet. That was so bad. But yeah, I love you guys, all of you. Even all you people who leave crappy comments, I love you too. So yeah, I will catch you guys all in the next one. See you in a couple weeks, or I guess another week. Peace.